India's telecommunications journey reflects the evolution of connectivity from basic signaling systems to a strategic national digital backbone. Communication that relied on pigeons, drums, horns, flags, smoke signals, and fire beacons for trade, governance, and defense. Modern telecommunications began with the semaphore telegraph in 1839, followed by the electric telegraph in 1851 using Morse code. Telephony was introduced in 1881 with the first telephone exchange in Calcutta. After independence, nationwide expansion was driven by the Posts and Telegraphs Department, introducing rotary phones, automated exchanges, radio communication, fax, pagers, and diversified frequency usage. A major transformation began in the 1980s, emphasizing technology-led governance and modernization. The mobility era formally commenced in 1995 with India's first mobile phone call between the Union Minister of Communications and the Chief Minister of West Bengal. The same year marked the formation of the Cellular Operators Association of India, COAI, as the unified voice of mobile service providers. Further, regulatory frameworks were strengthened with the establishment of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, in 1997, followed by Telecom Dispute Settlement and Appellate Tribunal, TDSAT, in 2000. The mobile landscape underwent several transformations, from 1G, which introduced basic mobility, to 2G, leading to mass adoption of the device, 3G, introducing limited mobile data, and 4G bringing along mobile broadband and app usage through dominant high-speed data. Presently, 5G is ushering in a new era of ultra-fast connectivity, enabling IoT, AI-driven networks, and smart cities. Currently, flagship initiatives like Digital India and BharatNet are extending broadband deep into rural India, positioning telecom as a horizontal layer across all sectors. Looking ahead into 6G and beyond, the scope is unlimited, from quantum communication, AI-native networks, and imagination to reality transformations, where humans become active participants in connected ecosystems through digital twins, embedded connectivity, and intelligent interfaces, defining the next phase of India's telecom journey.